Did you know that a single leaf, detached from its parent plant, can embark on a remarkable journey of transformation? It possesses the extraordinary ability to sprout roots and develop into a whole new plant, mirroring the parent from which it came. This incredible feat of nature, known as leaf propagation, seems almost magical. Witnessing a plant emerge from a seemingly insignificant leaf is a testament to the wonders of the natural world. It's a process that has fascinated botanists and plant enthusiasts for centuries. And the best part is you can recreate this magic in your own home. This journey from a solitary leaf to a thriving plant might seem like something out of a fairy tale. But the truth is, it's a testament to the remarkable resilience and adaptability of nature. Join us as we delve into the science behind this fascinating phenomenon and discover how you too can unlock the secrets of leaf propagation. The secret to leaf propagation lies in understanding a plant's remarkable ability to regenerate itself. Hidden within the tissues of a leaf are dormant cells, each carrying the blueprint of the entire plant. These cells lie in wait, ready to spring into action under the right conditions. When a leaf is detached from its parent plant, these dormant cells are triggered. They begin to divide and multiply, forming specialized structures like roots and stems. This process, driven by a complex interplay of hormones and nutrients, is a testament to the incredible power of nature's design. The science behind leaf propagation is a fascinating field of study. It reveals the intricate mechanisms that allow plants to survive and thrive even when faced with adversity. But for the home gardener, understanding the basic principles is all that's needed to embark on this rewarding journey. Ready to witness the magic of leaf propagation firsthand? The process is surprisingly simple and requires only a few basic materials. A healthy leaf from your chosen plant, a clean, sharp cutting tool, a suitable growing medium, and a good dose of patience. First, carefully select a healthy leaf from your plant, ensuring it's free from any damage or disease. Using your clean cutting tool, sever the leaf from the plant, making sure to include a small portion of the stem or petiole. This area, known as the node, is crucial as it houses those all-important dormant cells. Next, prepare your chosen growing medium. This could be a pot filled with a well-draining soil mix, a jar of water, or even a bed of moist vermiculite. Gently insert the cut end of the leaf into the medium, ensuring the node is well covered. Place your newly planted leaf in a warm, well-lit location, away from direct sunlight. Section 4. Why leaf propagation thrives. Efficiency and simplicity combined. Leaf propagation's popularity stems from its efficiency and simplicity. Unlike other propagation methods that require seeds or cuttings, a single leaf is often all you need to generate a whole new plant. This makes it an incredibly efficient way to multiply your favorite plant varieties. Furthermore, the process itself is remarkably straightforward, making it accessible even to novice gardeners. With just a little care and attention, anyone can cultivate new plants from leaves, experiencing the joy of watching them grow from the ground up. The success rate of leaf propagation is also generally high, especially when compared to other methods. This is because leaves are naturally equipped with the resources and resilience needed to regenerate. With the right conditions, those dormant cells readily awaken, driving the formation of roots and ultimately a whole new plant. Section 5. A world of possibilities, plants primed for leaf propagation. The world of leaf propagation is vast and diverse, encompassing a wide array of plant species. From succulents like snake plants and jade plants to tropical beauties like begonias and African violets, numerous plants readily respond to this technique. Herbaceous plants, known for their soft, non-woody stems, are particularly well suited for leaf propagation. These include popular choices like spider plants, prayer plants, and even certain herbs like mint and basil. Exploring the possibilities is all part of the fun, allowing you to expand your plant collection and discover new favorites along the way. Each plant species may have slight variations in its preferred propagation method. Some might root best in water, while others thrive in soil or vermiculite. A little research goes a long way, ensuring you provide the optimal conditions for your chosen plant to flourish.